So I am someone that have been using DeepBrain AI for some months now. And in this very honest review, I am going to share with you guys everything I need to know about DeepBrain AI. Yes, I am going to share with you guys the pros, which are the things that I personally like about this platform, and the things that you might also like about this platform. Secondly, I'm going to share with you guys the cons, which are the things that I don't really like about this platform, or rather the things that I think you might also not find interesting about this platform. And finally, I'm going to share with you guys my final recommendation or my final verdict. Yes, if the brain AI is actually worth it or not. And of course, I believe that with my little experience so far with DeepBrain AI, I am actually in the right position to let you know if this platform is actually worth it or not. I have been able to come up with the list of the pros and the cons which are associated with this platform. So if at the end of this video and you probably find it interesting and encouraging enough to actually go ahead and sign up with this platform, then what I'm going to do here is that I'm going to be dropping the link down in the description section of this video. Yes, and what that link is going to serve you is that in case if there's any discount offers currently running at the moment, you're going to be getting it via the link that I'm going to be dropping down in the description section of this video. And also, if you have any questions concerning this platform or pertaining to this platform, do wait to leave me some questions down in the comment section below, and I'll be more than happy and willing to respond to all your questions. Therefore, to get started, what is DeepBrain AI? Yes, so for the benefit of anyone hearing this for the first time or doesn't really know what this platform is and how it works, DeepBrain AI is a platform that uses artificial intelligence, yes, that is AI, to create ultra realistic AI avatars and automated videos. It's actually designed for content creators and businesses who wants to create professional looking videos without hiring actors, studios, or spending a lot of time on video creations. Yes, so this is basically what this platform is all about and how it works. So now that I'm done explaining what this platform is and how it works, now we are going to go to the major points of this review, which is the pros and the cons. Yes, the things that I personally like about this platform and the things that you might also find discouraging about this platform. So we are going to start with the pros. And the first pro that I have on my list here is the high quality AI avatars. Yes, this is one of the major things that I like about this platform. The fact that DeepBrain AI offers ultra realistic avatars with human-like expressions, voices, and movements, which of course I believe is what you are looking for. A platform that will give you a real human-like avatars. And the next pro that I have on my list here, which is another interesting point about DeepBrain AI, is the fact that DeepBrain actually supports multiple languages. Yes, so that is to say that you can create content for global audience. And the next pro that I have on my list here, which is another interesting point about this platform, is the ease of use and the simplicity of this platform. Yes, they actually have a very much easy and simple user interface, which is one of the things that I always like to take note of when doing my research and my reviews on any platform. And simplicity always gives a platform an edge over its other competitors. Yes, so DeepBrain AI actually have a very much easy and simple to understand user interface. Yes, and that gives them an edge over many other platforms out there. Yes, over many other AI creating avatars out there. So as you can see on the screen, guys, this is actually how simple this platform looks like. Yes, this is how simple and how understanding their dashboard looks like. Yes, so it's not as complicated as many other platforms that you're going to see out there with a lot of things that will probably confuse you. So yes, it's actually very much easy and simple to understand. The next pro that I have on my list here, which is another interesting point, guys, is the fact that this platform makes video creation time and cost efficient. And that is possible because DeepBrain AI automates the video creation and production process, and that allows users to actually generate videos quickly without needing actors, studios, or extensive post-productions. And of course, we all know how costly it is to hire actors these days or video editors, plus the time that it's going to take them to actually get the job done. So DeepBrain AI actually gives you the same work that actors are going to give you and video editors, and at the same time they do it faster. Yes, DeepBrain AI gets the job done faster and better. So yes, in a nutshell, it saves time and money. And the next interesting point about this platform, which I am going to introduce in the form of a question, is what are other members and what are other users saying about this platform? Yes, so what are the ratings and reviews about this platform? So, and that is where Trustpilot comes in. So let's check out some of the positive reviews that you're going to see on Trustpilot. As you can see on the screen, guys, these are some of the reviews that you're going to be seeing on Trustpilot about how good this platform is. Yes, so it's always very vital to consider what other people are actually saying about this platform before you can actually go ahead and sign up with this platform. So yes, this is some of the positive reviews, and these are some of the reviews that the members have actually left about this platform. Yeah, so aside from what I'm telling you guys here, these are some of the things that other people have actually said about this platform. And the last pro that I have on my list, which is something that I also find very, very interesting about this platform, is how functional the text to video is. Yes, the functionality of the text to video system. You can simply put in text and the AI converts it into videos with an avatar speaking the text. And of course, that makes content creation fast and convenient, which is what most of us want. So now that I'm done talking about the pros, which are the things that I personally like about this platform, and which are the things that I believe you should know as well before going ahead to sign up with this platform. Now let's go over and talk about the cons. Yes, which are the things that I don't really like about this platform. And I believe you should also know these points as well. Yeah, you shouldn't just judge a platform just by the pros alone. You should also check out the cons, which are the bad side, before you can conclude on whether this platform is actually going to serve you well and if it's worth your time or your money. And the first con that I have on my list here, which is something that might be a little bit discouraging for some members, is the fact that they are limited to free users. Yes, so that is to say that basically the platform will be more enjoyable as a paid member rather than a free member. Yes, you're going to be getting more tools and more freedom to use their tools and enjoy the platform if you're actually paying for it rather than using it for free. So for some people out there that are looking for a free AI tool that is going to give them all they want for their content creation, guys, I'm sorry, this platform is not actually for you. Yes, it's going to be limited. The things that you can do with this platform is going to be limited if you're a free member. Yes, so for you to get all you want and make your content creation go to the next level, you actually have to be a paid member rather than being a free member. Yes, so that is actually one of the things that I think might actually discourage some people out there who are probably looking for a free tool to use. And the next con that I have on my list here, which some people might actually find a little bit discouraging as well, is the predefined style. Yes, and what do I mean by the predefined styles? Is that DeepBrain AI comes with a particular set of styles, and that is to say that you can actually command the AI to do exactly any kind of movement that you want it to do. So they already have some set of movements and styles that the avatar can do. Yes, some kind of hand gestures and hand movements that it can do. So it's not going to do exactly what you want. Yes, for example, you might actually want it to like snap its finger or things like that. Yeah, it's not going to do it exactly the way you want. Yes, the platform already has a set movement and styles that the avatar is going to be able to do. So if you want more than what is already on the platform, I'm sorry, you're not going to get that. So that is another part where it's a little bit limited. So you actually have to work with what you are getting. And for me, I've not really seen any issue with that. It's actually going well for me so far. And the last con that I have on my list here, which is something that I always like to mention in all my review videos, guys, and I've actually had a bad experience on that aspect as well, is the fact that there's a lot of fake and similar websites out there. Yes, guys. And what all these hackers do is that they go ahead and create all these fake and similar websites just to scam people that are not yet conversant with most of these big platforms of their money. Yes, big platforms such as DeepBrain AI. So I would recommend that you guys be very, very careful out there and do not fall for these scams. So ensure that you're on the right page, guys. Do not make the mistake of going to sign up for a platform that is not the real platform and end up getting scammed and you wouldn't be getting the results that you want. So like I mentioned earlier, guys, I'm going to be dropping the link down in the description section of this video, and that is going to be much easier for you to access the platform, and that is also going to serve you as a discount in case if there's any discount offers currently at the moment. So stay safe, guys, and make sure that you're on the right track. So now that I'm not mentioning what this platform is and how it works, I've told you guys about the pros, which are the things that I personally like about this platform, and I've also mentioned the cons, which are the things that I don't really like about this platform and you might also find a little bit discouraging before you go ahead and sign up with this platform. So now that I'm done giving you guys all this stuff, which I believe you should know as someone that is actually going to go ahead and sign up with this platform before you go ahead and sign up for it. Now I'm going to give you guys my final recommendation and my final verdict about this platform. And for me personally, I've been using this platform for more than 3 months now, and I'm still using it and it's working out for me perfectly well. So guys, I'm going to say yes to this platform. DeepBrain AI works, yes, and it's actually serving me well, and I haven't had any complaints so far with my time using DeepBrain AI. Yes. So for my final recommendation and my final verdict, yes, DeepBrain AI is worth it and it is legit. Yes, it's actually a legit platform. So I'm glad that you actually stick around to see the end of this video, guys. So do not forget to leave me a thumbs up to this video if you actually find this interesting and educating enough. And that is also going to encourage me to create more content like this one. And that is going to show me that I actually appreciate what I'm doing here. So Thank you for watching, guys, and see you on the next one. Merci.